Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a new project idea for computer science students, and it can be used by MCA, BCA, B.Tech and M.Tech students. It can be used for both your mini project and your final semester projects. So we'll be discussing the problem statement and how you can implement that problem statement into a solution, what languages you can use, what are the different modules that are required in order to create this project. We will be discussing all those points. So friends, let us start the video. If you are first time on the channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So we will discuss about auction system. This project you can create both for your mini project and your final semester project. So again, online auction system where it will have all these modules where like people can bid on the products online. There will be sellers who want to have their product being sold, and there will be an admin module through which both the types of users, buyer and seller, they will be controlled. Buyer or the customer, they will have a different dashboard from where they can see all the bids that they have placed, and they can see the progress on those bids. Then we have the seller module. Again, the seller module or the seller person, he will have also a dashboard where he can see the progress of all his products, the customers who are placing the bid, the type of bid, the cost of the bid, everything they can check. And then there will be an admin module who can restrict the access, who can revoke the access, who can give the access to seller, who can check all the payments, so who can create new users. So everything will be controlled by admin of this online auction system. Payment module, you can either create a simple payment module in which directly buyer can get the payment, seller can get the payment from the buyer, or it will be via admin where admin will have some commission of those payment, and then those will be automatically deducted. And similarly, like if before bidding, if you want to have any clarification, you can put these contact modules, and user can, after verification only, user can contact to the seller. And also there will be a listing where the seller can see all the products that he has put on for bidding, and also the buyer can see what all bids he has been placing and why those are not being selected. So there will be a log section also from where there they can check. So friends, this is all about online auction system. Like, in terms of language, you can use C# with MS SQL Server. If you are comfortable with PHP, you can use PHP with MySQL, you can use PHP with MongoDB, you can use PHP with Postgres. So any type of database you can use. For hosting, again, if you want to host this website just to show a live demo, you can use AWS hosting, and again, it is free of cost for 1 year. So you can just create your account and then you can deploy once it is done. So once proper testing is done, you can deploy on AWS. So friends, this was all about another project idea for final year students. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.